ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat now. Aivan Rilak Eong I ouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamangananam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadash Khapa Chatata Chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal. We have not seen what these are, but I asked you to just memorize what these are. We'll see in detail later. Nageshwara Sutrani, only the name we know. What is it we are going to do with this? We'll see. It's a very important thing. This is Nageshwara Sutra. It's all mantra. The sounds which came from the Damaru of Lord Shiva and the sound in the form of the letters of the language. That's the Nageshwara Sutra. We will see what they are in detail later. Now, we were doing translations. We are doing
Yes, Guruji.
translations. I think we have done up to
25.
From 26 we will do. Okay, before that, let us chant this regular chanting. These shabdas you can chant. You can repeat after me. Akarantaha pullingaha rama shabdaha.
Akarantaha pullingaha rama shabdaha.
Ramaha ramau ramaha.
Ramaha ramau ramaha.
Hari. Ikarantaha pullingaha hari shabdaha.
Ikarantaha pullingaha hari shabdaha.
Harihi hari harayaha.
Harihi harayaha.
Ukarantaha pullingaha guru shabdaha.
Ukarantaha pullingaha guru shabdaha.
गुरु गुरवः
गुरुः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
ऋकारान्तः
पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पितरः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
कर्तृशब्दः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्तारौ कर्तारः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः
एतौ एते
नकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
इदं शब्दः
अयम् इमौ इमे
इमे
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
तत् शब्दः
सः तौ ते
सः तौ ते
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
शब्दः
के
कः कौके
Okay. Then the next one. आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमा शब्दः
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
रमा शब्दः
रमा रमे रमाः
रमे रमाः
ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः नदी शब्दः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मतिशब्दः
इकारान्तः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः मतिशब्दः
मतिः मति मतयः
मतयः
उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः धेनुशब्दः
शब्दः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनवः
ऊकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः वधूशब्दः
ऊकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वध्वः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
शब्दः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते एताः
नकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इमाः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
सा तेताः नकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
का केकाः Then the next one. अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फल शब्दः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः फल शब्दः
फलं फले फलानि
फलानि
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत् एते एतानि
एतानि
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
इदम् इमे इमानि
इदं
इमे
इमानि
इमानि
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
तद्देतानि
तत्तेतानि
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
किम् एतानि.
एकानि
So all the shabdas, only the Pratama Vibhakti. I hope you all know. Yes. So we'll keep chanting
Yes.
every class so that we don't forget. And we'll keep using it in our exercises. Now, from today we can see one Subhashitam. Can you see the screen?
Yes, Guruji.
Subhashitam. Subhashitam is Sushtu Bhashitam. A good saying, that which is well said. Right? Good thoughts, which is in the form of the shloka. That is called Subhashitam. It's very beautiful in Sanskrit. In the form of a shloka, it is presented. I will recite, you can repeat. Janani Janma Bhumischa
जननी जन्मभूमिश्च
Jannavi Cha Janardanaha
जाह्नवी च जनार्दनः
Janatah Panchamaschaiva
जनकः पञ्चमैश्चैव
Jakaraf Panchadurlabhaha.
जकाराः पञ्चदुर्लभाः.
In fact, I introduce Subhashitam only when you learn, after you learn some the Sandhi and all. But now I have introduced so that you can try to memorize some Subhashitam. It's very nice. And also, you can get the reading practice. That is why I introduced now. This shloka is a shloka. It's now the shloka has got words, and the words are combined. They're joined. You have to split it to find out, to identify the individual words. So all these exercises have to be done. Then only the meaning of the shloka can be understood. But now that exercise is not required because we have not gone to that far now. We will do it later, slowly. Now I'll just explain the meaning. Can you all read this? It's any difficulty in reading?
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. Janani Janmabhumischa Jannavicha Janardanaha Janakaha Panchamaschaiva Jakaraha Panchadurlabaha. That's all. So Panchadurlabaha. Durlabaha is that which is difficult, that which are difficult to get, difficult to attain. That which are difficult to attain are called Durlabha. Dukkena labhyate. 5 things are very difficult to get. And the 5 things begins with the letter Jakara. That is why Pancha Jakaraha Durlabhaha. The 5 things which begin with the letter Jakara, with the consonant Jakara. What are they? The first one is Janani. Janani is mother. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Janani Shabdaha, like Nadi Shabda. Janani, Jananyau, Jananyaha. You can decline that. So Janani is what case now? What case, what vibhakti?
Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam. Janani is mother. And Janaka is?
Father.
Janaka is not Sita's father, our father. Janaka is also means father. So Janakaha, Janako, Janakaha, like Rama Shabda. So what vibhakti Janakaha?
Pratama
vibhakti ekavachanam pullingam.
Vibhakti ekavachanam pullinga. Janmabhumi. Janmabhumi, motherland. Janmabhumi, Ikaranta Shabda. It is Strilinga, Bhumi. It's not like Mati. We chanted Mati Shabda. It is somewhat different, slightly different from Mati Shabda. We will see what it is later. But this much you know. That is, Janmabhumi is ikarantaha, strilingaha, Janmabhumi shabdaha. Okay. So, Pratama Vibhakti, what vachanam?
एकवचनम्
ekavachanam.
Vibhakti, ekavachanam, Janmabhumi. Then, sorry, the slide went up. Just a minute. One minute. Yes. Jannavi. What is Jannavi? Jannavi is-
Another name, Ganges.
Mother
Ganga.
Ganga. Name of Ganga,
Ganga.
is Jan.
Ganga.
Yeah, it should be It should be Ganga, not Ganges. Ganges is an English word.
Sorry.
Ganga is the right word. Jannavi. So what Shabda is it?
स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः
Ikaranta.
Ikarantaha. Yes.
Strilingaha.
Strilingaha. Jannavi Shabdaha.
Jannavi Shabdaha.
Right? Nadi Shabda. So what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
प्रथमविभक्ति
प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. This shloka is a very simple shloka. You will have only Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That is why I have taken this shloka first. But later and all, you will see different things will come. That time is difficult to identify. We'll identify after some more classes. Jannavi. Then Janardana, Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Pradama Vibhakti Pullingam.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga. So these are the 5 things. Panchamaha. These Panchamaha, Janani, Janaka, Janmabhumi, Janavi, Janardana. All these 5 begin with the letter Jakara. Therefore, Pancha Jakaraha Durlabaha iti. Okay. Here?
Yes.
This is it.
What is the Panchamaschaiva? What is Maschaiva there?
That's the
Maschaiva.
Maschaiva. Sandhi has happened. Panchamaha cha eva panchamaschaiva. Don't worry about that. We will see later. Panchamaha cha eva. These 5 jakaras only are difficult in the meaning. Okay. Panchamaha. These 5. Panchamaha cha plus 3 words are there. Panchamaha plus cha plus eva panchamaschaiva. Sandhi has happened. Sandhi is joining of the words.
Yeah.
That topic is a different topic. We'll see that later. Okay. A good Subhashitam you can memorize. If possible, you can memorize. Next one, we will do this Abhyasa. I'll read the names from the chat box. You can try to do the translation. Priyaji, number 26.
I can't say the 26.
26, you'll see now. You have to see this, right? 26.
It's only from 34 here.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Now 26 you will see.
Saha Guruhu.
Yes. Saha Guru. Guru. He is a Guru. Saha Guruhu iti. Next person. Kamakshi.
रामकृष्णः गुरुः
Ramakrishnaha Guruhu. So Ramakrishnaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Guruhu is as Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ramakrishna is a Guru. You can supply. The Kriya Padam is not there. What is the Kriya Padam?
अस्ति
Asti always can be supplied. If it is not there, Asti or Bhavati we can supply. Ramakrishnaha Guruhu Asti.
अस्ति
Saha Guruhu Asti. Next person. Ram Kumar.
Swami Dayananda Guruhu.
Ram Kumar.
Yes.
Yeah, you can read.
Swami Dayananda Guru.
Swami Dayanandaha Guruhu. Dayanandaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Yes, Guruji.
Guruhu we know it is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Right.
Next one. Kausalyaji.
Saha Munihi.
Saha Munihi. Sage Munihi. Sannyasi also you can say. Yatihi also you can say. Saha Yatihi. Many words are there for the sage. Saha Rishihi also you can say, right? Many words you see. Rishi, Yati, Muni, Sannyasi. Okay, next person, Manjula.
idam shastram.
Idam Shastram, you can say, or Etat Shastram. Right?
Eshat shastram.
Yes.
Yes.
Next one, Jyotiji. That is a weapon.
Tat Shastram.
Yes. Tat Shastram. Shastram and Shastram. What is the difference? Shastram and only one what you call vertical stroke makes a difference. Shastram and Shastram. Next person, Girijaji.
They are wealth. What is that? They is they, and wealth means
Dhanam.
dhanam. Tani dhanani.
Good. Tani Dhanani. That's it. Simple. Tani Dhanani. Next one, Shrutiji.
Yeah, this is hand. I have doubt, Guruji here. Hasta, if it takes Pullinga, it's Esha Hastaha.
Yes. Eshaha
But
Astaha.
but can we take it like Napumsakalinga also?
Why Napumsakalinga?
Hasta
Asta is Pullinga. The Shabda is Pullinga.
Pullinga, that's it. Okay.
So Eshaha Astaha or
Hastaha.
Karaha.
Kara.
Kara also means hand. So Eshaha
Hasta.
or you can use Ayam Astaha. This your choice. This also Ayam also can be used.
Okay.
Next person, Pratibhaji. Can you do this? Is wicked.
Sahadushta.
Yes, Pratibhaji, are you there?
Sir, I don't know which words in Sanskrit.
For which word?
Nidhaya. Wicked.
Wicked is dushta.
Dushta, okay.
Dushta.
Saha dushtaha.
That's it. Saha dushtaha. Simple. Dushtaha. Saha dushtaha. Yes. Dushtaha is dushta shabda. Dushtaha, dushtau, dushtaha. Saha dushtaha. Saha dushtaha, tau dushtau. Then te dushtaha. In all the vachanams. They are wicked. Te dushtaha. Next person, Lataji.
Buddhiman.
Yes. Saha,
Buddhiman.
Buddhiman, Dhiman, Saha, or
Dimanaha.
Dhiman also you can say. But Dhiman, Buddhiman, the shabdas are different. Don't worry about it now. The shabda for Buddhiman is Buddhimat. That is
Buddhimat.
Takaranta shabda. We have not seen. Don't worry about it now. You can use the shabda which we know. Intelligent is a Chatura. You can use Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Chatura shabdaha. Like Rama shabda. Chaturaha, Chaturau, Chaturaha.
Saha Chaturaha.
Saha Chaturaha. All these words I think given. The words are given. The meaning of the intelligent and all. These words are given. You can check. Okay, now back
Guruji, for
yeah.
Buddhiman, is it Buddhimanaha or Buddhiman?
No, that's what I said. It's a different shabda. You can,
Okay.
we have not seen that. Buddhiman is, Buddhimat is a shabda. Takaranta shabda we have not seen. We have to see a lot of shabda. We have just started, okay? We just started doing it. And that too, we have not seen all the vibhaktis of the shabda. Only few we have seen.
So Buddhiman.
Buddhiman is Saha Buddhiman, Saha Dhiman, or Saha Chaturaha. Simple one, Chaturaha. Okay. Then, Priyaji, those two are carpenters.
Carpenter's word.
What is the word? We saw that. Takshaka.
Takshaka.
Takshakaha.
Yes, carpenter. One carpenter is Takshakaha.
Takshaka.
Yes, three.
Who are there?
Te takshakaha.
Takshakaha Bhagavachanam. Many carpenters, but only two are
Those
there.
two. Sorry. Tau.
Oh,
Tau.
good.
Tau takshakau.
Takshakau.
Yeah.
Tau Takshakau. This is a boat. Kamakshiji.
Esha Nauka or Iyam Nauka.
Yes. Boat is Nauka or Navika. Okay. Nauka. Then she is Sita. Ram Kumarji.
Yes, Guru. She is Sita, right? Okay. So, Ta Sita.
Sa Sita. Simple. Yeah. Sa Sita. Kausalyaji is Rama.
Saha Ramaha.
Saha Ramaha. Next person, Manjulaji.
रावणः दुष्टः
Dushtaha. Ravanaha Dushtaha. Next person, Jyotiji.
Ramah Vishnuhu asti.
Ramaha Vishnuhu asti. Yes, Rama is Vishnu. Girijaji.
Sita Mahalakshmi asti.
Sita Mahalakshmi asti. Mahalakshmi is what Shabda?
Strilinga Shabda.
Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda.
Strilinga Shabda.
What do you decline?
Like Nadi.
Like Nadi.
Yeah.
Mahalakshmi.
Mahalakshmi.
Lakshmyau.
Oh, Mahalakshmyah.
Please note here Mahalakshmihi.
Mahalakshmihi.
It will be Mahalakshmihi. This is exception.
Uh-huh.
Lakshmi
Wait a minute, Guruji.
Shabda.
I'll now note it down.
Lakshmi Shabda is an exception. Lakshmihi, Lakshmyo, Lakshmyaha. Only Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam, it will be Lakshmihi. You can not note this. There are a lot of exceptions will come. You'll see, we are going to see a lot of exceptions will come. Rules and exceptions. Rules and exceptions. This is what we are going to learn. So, Lakshmihi, you can remember. Next one.
Guruji, 1 second.
Yeah.
For Ravana is wicked. This one also like this only. Ravanaha dushta asti.
Ravanaha Dushtaha Asti. Yes, you can say. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Next one, Shrutiji.
Tau Mata Pitarau.
Tau Mata Pitarau. Or you can just say Pitarau. Pitarau itself stands for both the father and the mother. Jagataf Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwara. We chant in the beginning, right?
Yeah, yes.
Jagataha Pitarau, the
Pitarau.
parent of the Jagat, the world. So Pitarau, the word Pitarau stands for two fathers. That is one meaning. Or it can stand for both the father and mother, Pitarau. That meaning also Pitarau has. In Sanskritam, we have got such thing. Ekashesha Vritti will say. You can know this much. Pitarau is fine. Mata Pitarau also you can say nothing wrong.
Okay.
So Tau Pitarau. The next
Tau
one.
Pitarau.
Ritibhagi.
Guruji,
Lava
here
and
we
Kusha.
can.
Yes.
Their parents means maybe they are plural also there.
You can say yes.
Taraha also.
Why not? You can say. Yes, you can say.
Lava and Kusha. Tau Putraha.
Sorry. Again.
Sorry. Can I make next one?
Okay.
Because this is my first class. So Yama is dad. Yamaha Mrityuhu asti.
Yes. Yamaha Mrityuhu asti. The next person can try the Lava and Kusha or the sons. Lataji. Hello.
Lava Kusha Putraha. Putraha.
Two sons are there. Two names are there. Two sons. So therefore, what should be that? Lava Kusha is one Ekavachanam. But Putra is a Dvivachanam. Therefore, you have to change it.
Lava Kusha Putra.
No? Anybody?
Lava Kushau Putrau.
Lava Kushau Putra, we can say. Lava and Kusha make it into a one word. Lava plus Kusha, Lava Kusha. So Lava Kushau means both Lava and Kusha. Dvivachanam. Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Rama Lakshmanau. Rama and Lakshmana. Ramaha Ramu. Similarly, Rama Lakshmanau. Or if you want to say Lava and Kusha separately, listen carefully. Lavaha Kushaha, cha. You have to add cha, lava and kusha. Lavaha, kushaha, cha, putrau. Okay, you can do it this way also. Lavaha, kushaha, cha. Cha means and. Lava and kusha. The and will come only in Sanskritam after the last word. Not like in English, before, between. Okay. Lavaha, kushaha, cha, putrau. What is the Kriya Padam?
Staha.
You can supply staha. We have seen staha, I think.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Asti, staha, santi already I introduced.
Yes, Guruji.
You can check your notes in this PDF file, you will find. So, lavaha, kushaha, cha, putrau, staha. That's a complete vakyam.
Okay.
Right?
Lavata Kushava
Lavaha, kushaha, cha,
Cha Putrau
staha.
Staha. Staha.
Putrau, staha. Or lavakushau, putrau. Both are okay. Next one. Riyaji, 46.
Nachiketa Chatra Asti.
Yes, okay. Here, Nachiketa. Now you can say Nachiketaha. It's okay, accepted, because we don't know what Nachiketa Shabda is. Nachiketa is Sakaranta Shabda. We have not seen that, so don't worry about it now. Because if you say Nachiketaha, I will accept. At this point, it's okay, no problem. But it is Nachiketa actually. Nachiketa, Nachiketaso, Nachiketasaha. The declension will be different. That it's a long way to go to know that Shabda. But now if you say Nachiketaha, it is okay. No problem with that. Nachiketaha Chatraha Asti. If you note Nachiketaha, later we will be changing. Okay, that you can mark it. Nachiketa is not the right one. Nachiketa Chatraha only. Since we don't know that Shabda, therefore we take this to be like a Rama Shabda and saying Nachiketa. Okay. So next person, Kamakshi ji.
Varanasi Nagari
Yes, Asti.
Asti.
Yes. Varanasi Nagari or Nagaram Asti.
Nagari.
This is India. Ram Kumar ji.
Ji, one doubt. Varanasi is Strilingam or Pullingam?
Whatever may be.
Okay.
Doesn't
We can
matter.
use Nagaram, Nagara. Okay.
This is subjective complement. Therefore, gender need not match.
Okay, Guruji.
Gender matching is not required here. Subjective complement. Only if it is a Visheshana, if it is an adjective, then we need to bother about the gender. It's the sameness of the gender.
Sharanji, I just have a doubt. For Varanasi, it's a city name, no?
Yes.
So, like for city names, we pronounce it as it is, regardless of the gender, you mean? Like name of places.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's a subjective complement here. Therefore, Varanasi, Nagaram, Asti, you can say.
Okay.
If it is the city Varanasi located or is beautiful, when you say that, there it is different. The Varanasi has got adjective city. If it is adjective, then the gender should be same. Chaturaha Balaha, intelligent boy. Balaha is boy. Chaturaha, intelligent. Both are Pullinga, must be Pullinga, because you're talking about the boy and the boy is intelligent. Adjective is an intelligent boy. Now if it is a girl, Chatura Balika. Balika, girl. Chatura, adjective, intelligent girl. There it is adjective. The boy is tall. Here that is tall is not the adjective. It is a predicate. In English, we say predicate or subjective complement. Saha balakaha unnataha asti. Right? So, therefore, the gender not required. Simple another example I'll give. She is my friend. How do you say in Sanskritam?
Bandhavi Asti.
Sa mama mitram or saha mama mitram. Saha is he pullinga, sa she strilinga, mitram is napumsakalinga. Gender should match.
Yeah.
No.
Understand?
Sa mama mitra, right? For the girl.
Mitra is napumsakalinga, always napumsakalinga. There is no mitraha and all.
Mitri. Phalam
No, there is no mitri and all.
Can we say sa
Listen.
mama mitri?
Listen,
Sakhi.
1 minute. There is no mitri and all. There is no mitri. We cannot form word. Mitra only is there. And mitra is napumsakalinga. Where is mitri? There is no
Mama
mitri.
Sakhi?
There is no mitri. There is no mitra. Mitraha. Only mitram is there. Sakhi is also depending on the gender. Sakhi or Saka. Saka is pullinga. Sakhi
Yeah.
is strilinga. So doesn't matter. You can don't worry about that. I want you to understand this gender is not required in the context of complement. Okay.
Yep.
Just a minute. You can next person can read the next sentence. Ram Kumarji, this is India.
Yes, Guruji. सः भारतदेशः.
भैया 15 मिनट के बाद आएगा भैया. अभी रूम में क्लास में है. ठीक है. फिर बात करता हूँ.
And Indians, Bharatiyaha. Bharatiyaha. Okay. Oh, that's
plural.
Strilinga shabda, is it?
भारतीयः.
Ikara Bharatiyaha. What lingam gender it is?
Looks like Napumsakam.
Napumsaklinga?
Napumsakalinga.
Pullinga.
Pullinga also. Te Bharatiyaha.
Te Bharatiyaha.
Napumsakalinga will become Bharatiyani.
Yeah.
Te Bharatiyani.
That is pullinga Te Bharatiyaha.
Te Bharatiyaha. It may be.
If you say Bharatvarshah,
Te
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Hello.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
yes.
Okay. Sorry. Between power went off. Okay. So Ram Kumarji, you can read the next one. This is
India. So सः भारतवर्षः.
Yeshah Bharatavarsha.
Oh, sorry.
Yeshah.
एषः भारतवर्षः. Yes, correct.
Next person. The names on the chat box have disappeared because the power went off. Now. The next
Guruji, this is a pullinga shabda.
Bharatavarsha. Yes.
It's a pullinga shabda. Correct.
Yes.
एषः भारतवर्षः.
Or you can say Etat Bharatam also you can say.
Bharatam. Yeah.
Bharatam or Bharatavarshaha. Bharatavarshaha pullinga. Bharatam Napumsakalinga.
Guruji, what is Bharata Kantaha? Like Bharata Kantam, they say that.
Bharata? I didn't hear you.
Bharata Kantam or?
Kandam.
Bharata
Kanda
Kantam?
is different. Kanda is like a continent. That
continent, okay.
in English we have 7 continents, but Shastram way of viewing it is different. It has
Okay, Guruji.
Bharadakande.
Okay.
So that is different.
Yeah, that's why I got kind of.
Yes.
I thought it's another name. Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Next person, the name is
Guruji.
not there.
Manjula
Next person.
Guruji.
Yeah.
They are Indians. Te Bharatiyaha.
Bharatiyaha.
Yeah.
ते भारतीयाः.
Bharatiya, that if you add Bharatiya, it's the people belonging to that country. Bharata, Bharatiya. America, America, Amerikiya. Okay, Amerikiya. So Bharatiya. Deshiya, belonging to the nation. Deshiya. So Bharatiyaha, te Bharatiyaha. Amerikiyaha. Amerikeya, not Kia. Amerikeya will become. Okay. One pratyaya is one suffix. You get Amerikeya. Anyway, so Bharata is Bharatiya. No problem in this. Amerikeya or Amerikeya, I have to check. Anyway, Bharatiya.
गुरुजी ते भारतीयः
Te
भारतीयाः
सन्ति.
Bharatiyaha.
भारतीयाः सन्ति.
Santi.
Santi. Next one. Arnold is an actor.
आर्-
Who is the next person?
नटः अस्ति
Sorry?
आर्नोल्डः नटः
Yeah. Abhineta. is an actor.
अभिनेता
Can you use Nataha or Abhineta? Okay. Can you all hear my voice clearly?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
So the next one, we're practicing the
He
last
is
one.
an American.
Yes. So last class we read this. Bhavataha nama kim. Simple,
Yep. Yep.
simple sentence. What is your name? If it is Trilinga, then
Bhavatya.
भवत्याः
Bhavatyaha nama.
भवत्याः
Nama Kim.
So Bhavataha nama kim, Bhavatyaha nama kim. Just be familiar with the usage. I mean, you can use in these sentences. But we have to analyze what are these words and sentences, what vibhakti, what vachan. That we will do. We need to know a lot to understand. Okay. So we have read this page, right?
Yes, yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So Bhavatyaha nama kim, Bhavataha nama kim, Bhavatyaha, referring, asking, yeah, female.
Girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mama nama Pushpalata. If it is a male, then Bhavataha nama kim. And one more thing, Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha, it is with respect. Okay. You're asking a person with towards whom you have respect, or if he's a senior in terms of age, or whatever it may be. So Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. If it is of same or below your age, then you can ask Tava. Tava nama kim. What is that?
Tava
Tava
Nama Kim.
nama
तव नाम किम्?
Whether it's Pullinga or Strilinga, it is Tava only. Okay. Tava is this for all the genders. It is Tava. What is your name? Tava nama kim. Whether it is Pushpalata or Surendra, it is Tava nama kim. Okay. The next person can read. The names are not there.
Girija.
Please read.
Mama nama Bharadwajaha. Bhavatah nama kim.
This is one good example. Now listen, somebody asked which gender. Mama nama Bharadwajaha. Nama is Napumsakalinga. Nama is Napumsakalinga, not like Pala Shabda. Nama is a different Shabda. We will see it later. Nama is not Akaranta Shabda. Please note. Nama is not Akaranta Shabda. It is one Shabda. It is different. Therefore, it is not like Pala Shabda. Palam Pale Palani. Like that, you cannot decline. But Nama is Napumsakalinga. Bharadwaja is Pullinga. Now, Bharadwaja, Pullinga, therefore Nama should be a Pullinga? No. There are no Pullinga word for Nama. Okay. Nama means Napumsakalinga only. The word as gender. Remember this. The word as gender doesn't have anything to do with the meaning of the word. Is it clear? This you have to remember. This confusion will come again and again.
Yeah.
I'm saying this. So, Nama is Napumsakalinga, Bharadwajaha is Pullinga. So, Mama Nama Bharadwajaha. My name is Bharatwaja. In English, you will see the subjective complement and the subject will be separated by simple like is, was, and all. That is called subjective complement. So this is subjective complement here. Is it clear?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Adjective. Okay, Girijaji, continue.
Mama nama Gautamaha.
Yes.
Mama nama Meera. Bhavatyaha nama kim? Mama nama Ahalya.
Next person can read the next one.
Shruti Guruji.
Yes.
Mama Nama.
You can read Uchchaihi Patata. The topic.
Yeah. Uchchaihi Patata Janita Cha.
Read loudly and know the meaning.
Mama Nama, my name. Mama Mata, my mother. Mama Gurukulam,
School.
my
school.
my school. Mama Ganaka Yantram.
Kanaka
I don't know.
Calculator.
Calculator.
Yes.
Mama Vedanta Pustakam.
Yes.
Science Vedanta.
Vedanta is not science.
Philosophy.
Something philosophy
Vedanta
book.
is Vedanta. That is Veda.
Scripture Veda book. Okay.
Upanishad.
Mama Desha Upanishad book. Okay. Mama Deshaha,
My country.
my country.
Okay.
Bhavataha Nama, your name.
Yes.
Bhavataha Anuja, your brother.
Sister.
Sister Anuja. Okay,
That too,
Anuja.
younger sister.
Oh, younger sister.
Is Agraja, elder sister. Anuja, sister.
Younger sister.
Anujagate, the one who follows me is called Anuja. That means
Anuja.
after me, I am first. The one who comes before me, Agraja, Agre Jayate. Agra is before, Anu is later. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Bhavataha Gruha.
Agraja,
Anuja.
Anuja. If it is sister.
Anuja.
If it is
Opposite
brothers, Agrajaha, Anujaha.
Anujaha. Okay, Guruji. Bhavataha Gruham.
Yes.
My house, your house. Bhavataha Gramaha, your Gramaha means village.
Yeah.
Village, okay. Bhavataha Karyam, your work. Karyam, your work. Yeah. Bhavataha Kshetram. Kshetra means your field. Field, okay. Your field. Bhavatyaha Nama. Same. Bhavata. Female, feminine.
Yes.
It's like your name. That's it.
Yes.
Bhavatyaha Sakhi. Your friend.
Now, Saki is female friend.
Female friend. Okay.
Male friend. So, Saki. Saki is the Shabda. It can be declined in both the genders, but they are different forms. Okay. Saka is male. Saki is female.
Female.
So, Mama Saka, my friend, the friend is a male. Mama Saki, my friend, it's a female friend. Okay. So, Saki will be like Nadi Shabda.
Female friend.
Pratipadikam is Saki only, but the declension is different. You can just know the word Saka and Saki. That much is enough. If you don't get into the details now, it will be confusing. Okay.
Okay.
Saki is like Nadi Shabda. Saki,
Sakha.
Sakyau,
Sakyau,
Sakyaha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. That much. Saka is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Saki, Shaki Shabda. We will see what it is later. Don't worry about this now.
Okay. Bhavatyaha Karyalayaha. Your workplace.
Yeah.
Office. Your workplace. Bhavatyaha Syutaha. Your bag. Bhavatyaha Vicharaha. I don't know the
Vichara is
meaning
inquiry.
of Vichara. Inquiry. Okay. Oh, okay. Your inquiry. Bhavatyaha Kutiram. Your ashram.
Cottage.
Or your cottage. Yeah.
See, okay. The next person can read the next one.
Pratibha here. Udaharanam drashtva mama naam bhavatah
Mama nama, not mama nama.
Okay, mama nama
Nama, yes.
bhavatah nama bhavatyaha nama iti prayogam kuruta.
Yes.
Bhavatah nama
Prayogam kuruta means use. Use this. Mama nama, bhavatah nama, bhavatyaha. Udaharanam drashtva. Having seen the example, using this, use this. Okay.
bhavatah nama kim mama nama santoshah.
Yes.
Mama nama anantah. Bhavatah nama kim mama nama anantah. I should
Nama
repeat like this.
anantah. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. Bhavatyaha nama kim mama nama nalini. Bhavatah nama kim mama nama santoshah.
Santosha. Yes.
Bhavatah nama kim mama nama varunah. Bhavatyaha nama kim mama nama nalini.
Yes.
Medha. Bhavatyaha nama kim mama nama medha. Bhavatah nama no. Mama nama Pratibha. Oh, my name is here.
Bhavatya, yes.
Yaha nama kim my name mama name Pratibha.
Mama nama.
Yes.
Bhavatah nama kim mama nama Shaunakah. Bhavatah nama kim mama nama Janakah.
Yes. Simple. So,
Thank you.
Mama nama Maheshah. So, what will be the question?
Bhavatah namah kim?
Mama nama Gargi.
Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Bhavatyaha nama kim.
Okay, this exercise is simple, so you can do it. So Bhavatah Bhavatyaha. Udaharananusaram Bhavatah Bhavatyaha nama likata. So it is done. You know this. That's one thing to see that. Mama Parivaraha. Okay, you can. Somebody can read. Patata avagacchata. And then
Mama Parivaraha. Mama.
yes.
Yutakam. Sari.
Satika sari.
Yeah. Have you read this? All of the person?
Yeah.
So any doubt in this? Because the power went off, so not the person.
No.
Okay. The next person. I will send you this. You can try this. This is a homework. Okay.
Okay.
Grantaha, Shutaha, it is that. So now, here you can see this Mama Parivaraha is my family. Mama Shariram, my
body.
Body.
So you can understand. Mama is what? My.
My.
You are going to see these words later. That is, Mama is my. Bhavataha is your. Bhavatyaha also yours.
Guruji, what is avagachata?
Avagachata, understand. Patata, read. Avagachata, understand. So using this, Manjushataha padani chitva yada yatodaharanam akyani likhata. Grantaha syutaha shatika yutakam iti padani santi. Now you have to use Grantaha, Mama Grantaha, or Bhavataha Grantaha, Bhavatyaha Grantaha. So Mama Grantaha asti, Bhavataha Grantaha asti, Bhavatyaha Grantaha asti. So like that you have to form sentences. Okay. So you can try this. I'll send you this. And it's given some shloka that we will see. We'll see in the class. Stop here. We are going at a very slow pace. You can easily.
It's okay, Guruji.
I don't have any problem. You want to increase the speed? I will increase. You want to decrease? Decrease. Maintain?
This is just enough.
This is correct. Ji.
This is correct.
We stop here. Continue on the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat
पूर्णमुदच्यते
Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate.
दृश्यते
Om
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Hari
हरिः
Om
ॐ
Shri Gurubhyo
गुरुभ्यो
Namaha.
नमः हरिः ॐ
Before we conclude, I forgot we chant this Rama Shabda every class, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes Guruji.
Let us do this. No problem. Even through the class, you can repeat after me. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
रामः रामो रामाः
Ramam Ramo Raman
रामं रामो रामान्
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramihi
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
Ramaihi, not Ramaiha, Ramaihi. Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam Rame Ramayoho Rameshu
रामेषु
He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha
हे राम हे रामो रामाः
Okay, please memorize this Shabda. Seen only the Pratama Vibhakti, other Vibhaktis will be seeing later, but you can start memorizing this. You can try to decline other Shabda, other Akaranta Shabda, Bala Shabda, right?
Okay.
And we have again a lot of examples in the book. You can see that. A lot of Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas are there. You can try to decline and know the forms. Okay, we stop here.
Thank you, Acharya ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Guruji. and
धन्यवाद
thank you so
गुरुजी
much.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
गुरुजी हैप्पी बर्थडे गुरुजी
Thank you all.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः.